I built an AI voice receptionist with Vapi and n8n that's going to be able to book appointments straight into your calendar. And today I'm going to walk you through how this works, how you can set it up, and how you can use it for yourself. And later in this video, I'm actually going to call this AI voice receptionist on my cell phone right here. I'm going to show you guys how it actually works. So make sure to watch the whole entire video because you are not going to want to miss out. And to get started, guys, you're going to want to join my group. It's the first link in the description down below. It's probably like $1 to $7. And once you join my group, you'll get access to all these files right here that you can just download to speed run the whole entire process. So just download all these. And after you download all these files, you're going to want to head over to n8n. And once you're inside of n8n, you want to click these three dots in the top right here, and then press import from file right here. And you're going to want to import the AI voice agent workflow just like so. Now that you imported the AI voice agent workflow, we're going to set up the whole entire n8n workflow by connecting all these APIs so it actually works. And after that, we're going to head over to Vapi. And to get started, we're going to have to connect the OpenAI chat model. So to do so, head over to platform.openai.com and click on the billing section right here on the left side of your screen. And then press add a credit balance. And I recommend adding $5 or so because every few times we actually use this, it's going to spend around 1 cent. And I've been using this for so many months now. It's only spent around 33 cents, which is absolutely amazing. And after you do that, you're going to want to go under my face cam. It says API keys. Just click on API keys and then go in the top right and press create new secret key. And after you press create new secret key, you're going to want to name it the AI receptionist and then select the project and then press create secret key. And after you create your secret key, do not share this with anyone because if they get a hold of this secret key, you'll literally be able to spend all of your credits, which would not be good for you. So copy your secret key and don't show anyone. And after you copy your secret key, go over here to the OpenAI chat model inside of n8n and just double click on it just like so. Then click up here and press create new credentials and then paste in the API key you just copied right here. And finally press save. And after you press save, make sure your account's selected. Make sure the model is also GPT-4.1 mini, which is actually going to be one of the cheapest models we can use. Now that we have the OpenAI chat model set up, we're almost done setting up the n8n workflow, but now we're going to have to set up the Google Calendar. So to set up the Google Calendar is actually pretty simple as well. You're going to want to double click right here, then click up to the top and press create new credentials, and then press sign in with Google, and then select whatever Google account that your calendar is actually on. Press select all right here, and after you press select all, press continue. And after pressing continue, you should say connection successful just like that. If not, try again. But now close that out and go down here where it says calendar from list. You're going to want to choose your email or whatever calendar you have. So for this example, I'm going to use this one, flightaffected@gmail.com. And now we can head back to n8n. And finally, just double click on the check availability one right here. This is actually going to check the availability on the calendar. And if there's an available appointment on the calendar, then it's going to book the appointment. And now our n8n workflow is fully set up. But guys, make sure to keep this workflow open because we're going to have to come back to it later to get the webhook. And honestly, right now, double click on the webhook and then press production URL and then keep the tab open. But for now, we're going to head over to Vapi AI. And once you're inside of Vapi AI, go up here and press create assistant and then choose a blank template. And I'm going to walk you guys through how to set up the whole AI receptionist. So first off, you're going to want to go to your downloads. Once you're inside of your downloads, you're going to see the system prompt. So double click on this right here and then press Control and then Control C to copy and paste it. So after you copy that, place that right here and then press publish in the top right and just press next and just publish this. Basically, this system prompt set up for a heating and cooling company. You can run this prompt through ChatGPT and ask it to change it to whatever you need. For example, you can make this a detailing one or like a doggy daycare one. Literally, you can make it whatever you want. And also for the first message up here, you can say, hey, thanks for calling Comfort Air Heating and Cooling. My name is Amy. How can I help you today? And after you do that, you're just going to want to press save right here and then publish once again. Make sure you guys always save because if not, if you crash, it's not going to be good. But now after doing that, go to the left side. Right under my face cam, it should say tools under the build section. So click on tools and then press create tool. And we're going to create a custom tool right here and literally just copy what I do. We're going to name this record action tool with a capital A. And after you do that, go back to your files, and then open up the Vapi tool prompts file and scroll down here to the bottom until you see the record action section. And we're going to copy the description right here. So just copy that and then paste it. And then right down here where it says parameters, click on visual, make sure it's JSON, press Control A and then backspace on here. And then go back to the file and then copy these parameters and just paste it in and then press apply. And after you press apply, you can turn off the visual if you want. It doesn't really matter. But now we're going to configure the server settings. And this is why I said keep n8n open earlier. So open up n8n and then copy the production URL and then paste in the server URL right here. And then you're going to want to press save. And after pressing save, you're going to want to create another tool. And this time it's going to be a query tool. And for the name, it's going to be answer FAQ. Make sure you have a capital F. And then open the file up again and copy the description just like so. And then press save. And real quick, guys, under my face cam in the top left, you should see the search bar right under your email. Search for a knowledge base. And then the file section should pop up. But now press upload file in the top right and just upload the knowledge base.txt that you downloaded. And head back to the tools section. Then down here, press add knowledge base. And for the name, it's going to be knowledge base. You can just copy and paste that and then copy and paste the description as well. And we're going to keep the model Gemini 2.0 Flash. Now click on select files right here and click on knowledge base text and then press save once again. And now we should be done here. Head back to the assistance tab and now click on tools in the top and just select these recent two tools right here and then press publish, then next, and just publish it. Now that we're on this page, we're actually actually done setting up the whole n8n workflow and the Vapi AI receptionist. So all that's left to do now is call it up on my cell phone and open the Google Calendar to see if it actually books an appointment. And real quick, guys, I missed one crucial step. Head back to n8n, press to activate workflow. If not, this is not going to work. But now let's actually call it up and let's test it.
Thanks for calling Comfort Air Heating. My name is Amy.
Hey there, Amy. I would like to book an appointment for air heating.
I can help with that. Tell me your preferred date.
Yeah, can you check for a time after 11 a.m.?
Please provide your full name and birth time after 11 a.m.
Can you do like 12 o'clock? And my name is Samuel Adams.
The time slot for tomorrow at 12 p.m. is available for the air. Could you please provide your phone number and address so I can complete the booking?
Yeah, my phone number is 443-926-1833. My email is samueladams@gmail.com, and my address is 612.
Tomorrow at 12 p.m. Is there anything else I can assist?
And just like that, guys, if you look at the calendar right here, as we see, there's an event made for tomorrow, which is the 5th. And if we click on it, it shows 612 Butthead Street, which is the address, and the name Samuel Adams and samueladams@gmail.com, and also my phone number. And guys, once again, if you want this workflow to speed up your whole entire process, then press the first link in the description down below, and you can get this workflow for $1 to $7. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and hype it, and also make sure to subscribe to the channel and click this video on the screen right now if you enjoyed. And I'll see y'all later. Peace out.